How to use Zoom Scheduler hidden feature. To use this function or feature, simply open the Zoom application first of all, then simply tap on this More option located on the bottom right. From there, head to the Scheduler. Now from here, you can choose options between booking pages, scheduled events, and also availability. Now you can create your own availability by simply tapping on this create option, and you'll be sent to this new window where you can find this option over here where you can choose to edit it according to your desire. Once you do so, simply tap save and it will be shown over here. And to schedule any events or see any scheduled events, you can find it over here. You can also make booking pages. Simply tap on this create booking pages option where you'll be sent to this new window. And you can also give your booking a name and select your location for the Zoom meeting, as well as you can also fill in the descriptions over here. Simply save this and you should be able to view this over here. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.